This guy right here will give you 2 stacks of each Herba Mystica for free. If you ask nicely, that is. Hey guys, GrimzyGG here. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the Messagoza Picnic store. From here, what you need to do is purchase each of the tablecloths you can at this location. Next, take a trip over to Lavincia. Here you will do the same thing, buy each tablecloth from the Picnic store. And finally, you'll do the same thing in Koskarafa. This will leave you with 18 of the 19 required tablecloths for the free Herba Mystica. This is great news. However, the final tablecloth is quite a pain to acquire. You need to get a time no slower than 2.5 minutes in the olive roll. So head over to Contando and take a shot at the world famous olive roll. And to be honest, the best way to do this is to lay off your mount for the majority of it and just kind of run around. After beating the olive roll in under 2.5 minutes, return to the Kitakame Hall fast travel point. Here you will be able to talk to the chair making NPC from the beginning of the video. He will tell you about how he makes chairs and is willing to make them for you. After exhausting his dialogue, he will give you access to all of the chair designs and will also grant you a pack of Herba Mystica. Woohoo! 2 of each to be exact. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, feel free to subscribe and ring that bell as well in order to stay up to date with all of my newest videos. Anyway guys, this is GrimzyGG signing off. Peace.